good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Alice Dixon, a celebrated actress and Binibining Pilipinas International 1986, graced the Binibining Pilipinas Diamond Anniversary with her presence. The event marked a significant milestone celebrating 60 years of the prestigious beauty pageant. Alice Dixon, known for her timeless beauty and grace, stood out at the event, embodying the elegance and poise that the pageant has come to represent over the decades. Dixon's participation added a touch of nostalgia and glamour to the celebration. Her journey from being crowned Binibining Pilipinas International to becoming a successful actress and public figure is an inspiration to many aspiring beauty queens. Her attendance highlighted the enduring legacy and influence of Binibining Pilipinas in shaping the lives of the title holders. The anniversary event brought together past queens, current contestants, and pageant enthusiasts to honor the rich history and achievements of Binibining Pilipinas. It served as a platform to reminisce about the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future of the pageant. Dixon's presence, along with other notable alumni, underscored the pageant's impact on the Filipino culture and its role in empowering women to achieve their dreams. And Alice Dixon's participation was a testament to the lasting bonds and memories formed through Binibining Pilipinas, making the Diamond Anniversary is truly memorable and historic occasion. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!